Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As promised, we're going to continue this Svartpilen build or mod or whatever you want to call it. Check this out. FedEx just showed up with a giant box that was supposed to be here Tuesday, and today is Saturday. So let's get this baby open and see what we got. This is a partial shipment of what I ordered from AOMC. And I'm not quite certain what's in this box. There's like 3 boxes coming, so we're going to find out if there's any type of install we can do today. And it's raining out again. Big surprise, right? Looks like we got the gauge cluster protector that came in. Looks like we got a couple of foot peg kits. What the heck is this? Oh, these are the front and rear lifts for the motorcycle. This is the Husqvarna one. That's it. I think we're going to focus on getting this display protector on and putting the foot pegs on. There are some other parts on the way that should be here today, so there may be another video at some point. But yeah, looks like it comes with a couple of these protectors. So we'll hang on to one, and I think we'll put the other one on. We'll also be putting the foot pegs on today. So these are the Husqvarna ones that are made for the Svartpilen. I bought both passenger and rider pegs. We'll have to figure out how to put these on. Looks like the instructions are in French or Swedish or something. Oh, it's just a instruction manual online. These must be the passenger ones because they have a detent ball on them, so you can fold them in. Well, let's get started. All right, guys, do these really need an explanation on how to install them? I'm not quite certain. It looks pretty self-explanatory to me, but make an effort here. There's a cotter pin. Okay guys, we got the display cover mounted. For some of you who are wondering what I was using, it is a couple drops of Johnson's & Johnson's baby shampoo mixed with water, and then I used a 3M squeegee to get all of that soapy water out from underneath it. And it still has a few like air, I don't know what you would call it, air pockets or whatever in there, but as it heats up, those go away. Kind of like window tint, you'll have like little tiny bubbles or blemishes, but over time those go away. So yeah, the pegs, really nice upgrade. These are nice aluminum, knurled aluminum setups. The cotter pins in the bottom are kind of frustrating. I actually had to replace one of them because it was so bent up when I got it apart, but yeah, nice little upgrade there. One other thing you guys should know about is if you order these Husqvarna lifts for your bikes, they require adapters. I was sitting there trying to figure out how to get this on the bike, and so I had to order these V clamp adapters for another 50 bucks. And then this has a mounting pin that goes in the triple tree. Right here there's a cap, I believe, that pops off, and then you put that mounting pin in there. I think that's how it works anyway, from what I can tell on the internet. But yeah, but other than that, I think that's probably going to be it for this episode today, guys. There are more parts on the way, so stay tuned. We're going to keep building on this awesome little bike. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other. Give me a thumbs up, leave some comments, share if you like this video. And as always, I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.